Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The day and the time has finally come. We have the engine parts to make this monster run, I hope. So, hopefully everything's here. There is a strong chance that I'm missing a clutch and a starter, but I don't know yet. J-Bugs, thank you so much. I'm going to do an unboxing here with you guys. Kind of show you what we got. So it looks like, first and foremost, we have our air cleaner. Looks pretty cool. Hopefully that fits. So we got the air cleaner. That's a win. Looks like the oil cooler. There we go. So I've got a new oil cooler, so that's great. It's a big piece of this. DOS parts. What is this? Where's DOS parts? DOS parts is a 34 picked carburetor. So we have a carburetor, we have an oil cooler, we have an air cleaner. Looks like something else is in here. Something heavy. This would be the flywheel. We have the flywheel. So we've got a flywheel, carburetor, oil cooler, air cleaner out of box number one. So that is a really good start. I'll get my knife here. Box number two is a little more sealed up here. Hold on one second. Okay. Once again, another box from J-Bugs. As you can see here, I've kind of set up a little bit. I've got my painted fan shroud 10 for the alternator kit. I've got my new bolts for my 10s. I've kind of got this sitting here in the shade so I don't burn up. It's pretty warm today. I think it's like 80 something already. But the hope here is we're just going to unbolt the engine, slide it off, set it down, bolt in the clutch and flywheel, barring that they're both here, and then put the motor back on, and then that's done. Hopefully the starter's here. Put the starter on, and then I'm going to do oil cooler, alternator, and then carburetor, and then hook up fuel lines, belt, so on and so forth. I may have to make a run to a local Volkswagen shop for a coil. I've got 2 coils. I do not know if they're any good, so I got that to deal with too. So let's see what's in box number 2. Oh yeah, we've got our fuse block cover, the clear cover that goes over the fuse block. That's good. More J-Bug stickers. I'm gonna put the fuse block stuff up there for now. Here's what we were looking for, alternator stuff. The fan hub kit, empty fan hub kit. The 10s for the alternator, chrome 10s. Let's put them up here. Got all that there. We have, I believe this is a mixture of all of the things I ordered, the seals and whatnot. We'll open that in a minute. There's stuff. We have the belt. We have the chrome mount that replaces that one. That's huge. It's actually pretty cool looking. There's the belt. We have all of this, the pulley and all the things that go with this. We have the box on the floor. So I believe we are missing clutch and starter. I believe this is all. There's the alternator, chrome alternator. So we have the alternator kit, we have the oil cooler, we have the carburetor, we have the flywheel. So that's a lot. We also have a bunch of seals and things of that nature that I ordered. But unfortunately, we are missing a clutch and a starter. So what that means for me is I'm going to go ahead and kind of zoom in here. I think change this up. I'll do the oil cooler because I have all the parts for it. I'll go ahead and get the carburetor on and the alternator kit installed, working, shimmed, all of that. That way this is all together. And then what I'm gonna do, really I'm waiting at that point for clutch, kit, and starter. So I don't really want to pull this off of here because I don't want to hurt it until I have everything, and then it'll only be off for probably 30 minutes. So yeah, so that's the unboxing here of the engine parts we've been waiting for. Kind of exciting. You know, let's see what this carburetor looks like. This is the J-Bugs version. It's nice, actually. Look at that. That's good looking. Man, that's a big ass carburetor. Comes with the gasket, the studs and the nuts and all the things. That's nice. Yeah, that'll work great. So we got a good carburetor, brand new carb, brand new flywheel. I have 2 flywheels. I could have had them resurfaced. They wanted $40 to resurface a flywheel here. I didn't want to pay that. It was I think it was $60 for a new flywheel, so I just bought a new one. Just figured why not. But yeah, boys and girls, this is what we have. This is our unboxing of our engine parts. We're still short a couple things. I'm sure they're coming sooner than later, but I'll do another video tonight, and this should look drastically different, and hopefully all assembled and together. And I may even hook up some fuel hoses here to a gas can right here, just set it here and run the fuel line, the rubber line, up and through to the carburetor and get all that hooked up too. I might do that. So anyway, guys, that's our unboxing. I'm also gonna do a video, I think you guys would benefit from it, of just some of the things that we've ran into that were just a problem, just issues, then fixes that we found and fixes that we haven't found, things that are still giving us a little grief. I think I'm gonna do a video on that and just kind of go through it. I mean, as simple as stuff. I mounted the shifter plate on backwards, and when I did that, it wouldn't go into gear. So I had to watch some videos, figure that out. But you know, that's kind of what we got. So anyway, we're gonna get this together, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.